What does a business analyst do? A business analyst, or BA, is someone who acts as a bridge between a company's business needs and technical solutions. They work closely with stakeholders to understand challenges, identify areas for improvement, and propose solutions. In simple terms, they analyze problems and help businesses run more efficiently. Let's walk through a typical day in the life of a business analyst to give you a better idea of what they actually do. The day usually starts with checking emails and reviewing updates from project stakeholders. The BA often attends a daily stand-up or team meeting. Here, they provide updates on their progress, discuss any blockers, and align with the team on priorities for the day. It's a great time to collaborate with developers, testers, and project managers. Next, the BA might facilitate a meeting with stakeholders to gather requirements for a new feature or project. This is a good time to analyze existing workflows or systems. The BA might create process flow diagrams, write user stories, or document requirements to ensure everything is clear for developers and decision makers. Even BAs need to recharge. They might grab lunch and take some time to reset before the afternoon. In the afternoon, the BA could work on analyzing data to identify trends or issues. They might pull reports, use tools like Excel or Power BI, and create dashboards to present insights to stakeholders. The BA might meet with developers or the IT team to brainstorm solutions based on the requirements. They collaborate to find the best way to implement features or fix problems while keeping costs and time constraints in mind. A key part of the job is communicating progress. The BA might prepare and deliver a presentation or report to stakeholders, updating them on the project status, risks, or proposed solutions. Towards the end of the day, the BA reviews their notes, finalizes any documentation, and prepares for the next day's meetings. Want to become a BA? If you're thinking about becoming a business analyst, here's where to start. By earning a degree in fields like business administration, information technology, finance, computer science, or a related field. Earning certifications can significantly boost your credibility. Here are some highly recommended ones. Entry Certificate in Business Analysis, ideal for beginners. Certification of Capability in Business Analysis, for experienced BAS, Certified Business Analysis Professional. Advanced BA Certification, Project Management Professional. Advanced Project Management. In general, the job of a business analyst is about solving problems and creating value for the business.